Alright, so here we have a couple of air conditioners at another neighborhood. And basically, I've seen these before, but never got to film them, so here they are. There's a little carrier right here. The data sheet's supposed to be on this side. Okay, it's from 2012. 2-ton. American Standard right there. It's actually pretty noisy. Noisy fan motor. 2008, 2-ton. This neighborhood was original by Goodman from the 90s and 80s. The one that looks like a rectangular or something. It's pretty windy out today right now, so there's a Rheem right there, but I don't think I can get close to it. There's a Rheem right here. (2017) 2-ton. This one replaced a Carry Tech 2000, sadly, but that was a pretty rare unit. This ring is really rusted out. 2009, 2-ton. Some more air conditioners that come from. There's several different kind of air conditioners I've seen, but not getting any film them. There's a GMC right there. I'm not getting close to that. And then a Goodman. Really quiet. Oh, there's a Train XR right over there. Look at that. I'm gonna go take a closer look at it. Yeah, I can. It's just there's so many people around, I just don't want to get close to it. I'll go from that Train XR13 later. It's actually running. This is a Goodman and a Nordyne. Looks like the fan motor hasn't been replaced already. I've seen the old fan motor. Nordyne. This one is from 2009. So, and it's a 2.5-ton. There's a Janitrol right there. That was actually original. Here's a Rheem. Classic. Pretty big Rheem. Alright, so there's a pane right over there and a Goodman. Looks like a brand new pane or something. There's another Goodman right there and then there's a Rheem. I can't get close to it because there might be someone that can probably come out. Alright, here's more units right here. That's an F-Con. And also like a rebatched York or something. Pretty much the same thing. Fan is literally close to that compressor. And this is F-Con. It looks really brand new with that York. I don't know what the heck. That does look like it has been running. Let's see, this one is from 2002 and it's a 1.5-ton. Oh, that's a Comfort Star. Piece of junk. Nah, that's faded. Can't really read that. And yeah. This one has a Bristol reciprocating. So. Alright, here's these two units again. Let's see if I can get a separation video out of that Comfort Star. I've seen one with toe sheet but rotaries. Yeah, this one has the same thing. You know what? It's an F-Con. It has been running. Alright, here's this Rheem again. Let's get a separation video out of this. 2008, 2.5-ton. There's a Janitrol that was original. An old Janitrol unit. It says high efficiency. Looks like the one that Van filmed back in California. 1993, 1.5-ton. That sheet's all faded, but I still can't read it. Here's his Nordine. 2010. Here's his Rude Achiever. It does look like it has been running because I've seen it running. Pretty nice looking logo. Oh. Turned on 2008 2-ton. Alright, good thing that Rude turned on. So, yeah. Alright, here we have the Train XR13. I can't get close to it though, but here's the Train XR. Sorry, I thought I was getting in trouble though, because I seen a guy walking past me, but he was checking his mail. (2007) 2-ton. Here's a Rheem plastic. This one's really quiet though. 2009. That's a 2.5-ton. We're seeing says 31,000 BTU, but whatever. There's actually like a few more air conditioners in this neighborhood. That's Rheem right there is running. This one has a fan motor that looks like mine's. Probably 14, yeah, so 14's here from 2010. 2.5-ton. Yeah, dual Rheem units. Pretty nice. 2005, 2.5-ton. Alright then. Here's these two units connected to a fence nearby. I know this Goodman has a coconut scroll. Actually. I think this one has a reciprocating, I don't know. 2006, 3-ton. 2012, 2.5-ton. There's more units down there, but I'm not getting into it. There's another one right there. Maybe I'll take a closer look at it. Oh, there's like 4 of them. Oh yeah, there's 4. There's like a York right there. There's more air conditioners. There's a Carrier 38 CKC right there. 2004 2-ton. I only came for the Carrier 38 CKC unit. Looks like those are Kyle's favorite. Apparently. Oh, I just heard a unit starting up. That was that GMC right there. There's like more where that came from. Alright guys, so that is probably it for now. But I might be thinking there's some more central air conditioners, which is I'm not that pretty sure. Oh yeah, there is. There's like a few more. There's a couple of Goodman units in the Rheem. This seems all original, but anyways. 2010, 2.5-ton. Alright. Well, I guess over and out.